Helo a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, Shemai, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. This is part 3 of our series of Welsh in the workplace, Cymraeg yn y swyddfa. So far, we have learned some phrases to use with our colleagues on a daily basis in the office, and today is no exception. We all use email at work, so let's learn how to talk about it in Welsh. Dw I wedi danfon e-bost. I have sent an email. Unwaith eto. One more time. Dw I wedi danfon e-bost. I have sent an email. Wyt ti wedi cael fy e-bost? Have you had my email? Unwaith eto. One more time. Wyt ti wedi cael fy e-bost? Have you had my email? Dyma ni am wythnos arall. That's it for another week of Welsh Wednesdays. Join us next week for part 4. Gweld chi wythnos nesaf. See you next week.